I'm going to talk to you about Jennifer. So Jennifer came to me, as you guys can see, this is a Google review. Jennifer came to me after she had been a brick and mortar holistic practitioner owner. So she owned a brick and mortar, which means a location holistic practitioner business. Jennifer had been so frustrated because after her business had been shut down when there was the global thing, she said, you know what, she just did not know how she was going to continue, and she wanted to have more security. So what we did was we took her brilliance. By her brilliance, I mean we really deep dove, and I helped her figure out like what was the thing that she wanted to teach or educate on, or what did she want her business to look like. So what she did, Jennifer was really, really adamant about creating an online coaching membership for other new holistic practitioners who wanted to grow their business to 6 figures. So this is what we did. I helped her launch her membership style coaching business. Within 6 months of working together, we got her exit strategy down pat. She sold her brick and mortar practice because that's what she wanted to do. We created her new coaching business, which was strictly a memberships to start out with, and she will be doing another model later on, but she wanted to start with a membership. We targeted exactly how much money she wanted to make, how many hours she wanted to make, and we custom built that business around her life. Now, mind you, Jennifer has 3 children, all under the age of 12. So she's a busy mama on top of all this. So she really needed flexibility. The magic that came with creating this business for Jennifer was she now has freedom. She can pick her kids up from school, drop them off. She can be there for them. She can take them to the activities she needs to go to without all the stress of being tied to her brick and mortar. The best part of this is she can breathe. She has fresh air now to breathe. She actually doesn't have all that pressure on her, and she's actually making double the money that she was making as a holistic practitioner owning a practice. Now, she owns her practice in Minnesota, so every state is different, of course, but she is super happy that she did this, and now her life has a totally different take on it. We worked together on her mindset, on getting rid of limiting beliefs. We worked together on her marketing, on her strategy, on her offers. And a lot of times, a lot of brick and mortar business owners, when they come to me, this is their biggest fear. They're overwhelmed. They're like, Maria, I just don't know what to do first. So you know what my answer is? That's what I'm here for. And this is part of what I'm going to be teaching in the Exit Strategy Formula free workshop. I want you guys to head on over. Above or below is where you sign up. I am going to be pulling the curtain back and teaching exactly what I taught Jennifer, that she was able to create her exit strategy and launch her new coaching business within 6 months. So if this is something that resonates with you, you want to be the next one, you want your family to have more time with you, you want to have more freedom, I want you to head on over, join me in the workshop. It is absolutely free. It's going to be better than the last 3 things you paid for. So come and get results like Jen. I'll see you on the inside. Link in bio, register free there.